You're sitting in silence, and suddenly your stomach growls loudly. Everyone hears it, and you have no idea why. It usually happens when your stomach is empty. But the sound isn't actually hunger. Your stomach muscles keep moving, even when there's no food inside. They're still pushing air and liquid around. When air and liquid move together, it creates the rumbling. That's the growl you hear. Your brain also triggers it to remind you to eat. It's your body asking for fuel. So that loud sound isn't random. It's just your body telling you it's time to eat.